We women, when we hit our perimenopause stage, we go through lots of bodily changes because of huge hormonal shift in our system. Today, I am going to help you heal your relationship with your changing body using Ho'oponopono, which is an ancient Hawaiian forgiveness practice. Hi, this is Meghlata and welcome to my channel Self Healing Mastery with Meghlata. Please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future healing videos. If you're going through perimenopause and if you have noticed weight gain that won't budge, a body that does not look like it used to, the clothes that you used to wear don't fit anymore, and you're looking in the mirror and you're feeling very disappointed, frustrated, you may even feel betrayed. I want you to know you're not alone in this journey and you're not broken, my friend. Here is what I've learned through my own personal experiences and after working with many women through this transition. You cannot heal your body that you hate. You cannot balance hormones while fighting yourself. And you cannot transform if you're carrying shame about your body. This is a fundamental truth. The only path forward is through forgiveness, through love, and through acceptance. And that's exactly what we are going to practice together today. Are you ready for it? Find a comfortable seat. You can close your eyes if you want. And when we are doing the process, place both hands on your heart and let's heal together. Alright? First, let me tell you what is really happening during perimenopause. Because understanding creates compassion towards yourself. Your body is going through the most significant hormonal shift since puberty. Your estrogen is fluctuating widely, your metabolism is changing, and your body is redistributing fat to protect your organs during this transition. You have to understand that this is not due to laziness. This is not your failure. And most importantly, this is not punishment. This is your body's wisdom. Once you understand that, you will start accepting the whole thing very happily. But society does not tell you that. Your diet culture does not tell you that. Even doctors sometimes don't tell you that. Instead, you've been carrying shame about gaining weight, frustration about losing control, anger at your body for betraying you. Worst of all, you carry that fear that you will never feel good again. All these emotions are stored in your body, creating more stress, producing more cortisol, resulting in more inflammation and more weight. It's a vicious cycle. Here is where our Ho'oponopono healing technique helps in breaking that cycle. This Hawaiian practice of forgiveness does not just heal your mind, it heals your relationship between your consciousness and your physical body. So when you forgive your body can finally relax. And when your body relaxes, healing becomes possible. Healing becomes effortless. Are you ready for it? Let's release the shame. You can keep your hands on your heart, or you can keep your hands on any part of your body that you have been judging. It can be your belly, it can be your thighs, wherever you have been holding shame, okay? You can keep both the hands on that part of your body, and we are going to speak to that part of your body. We are going to speak the 4 sacred phrases of Ho'oponopono directly to your body, okay? I'll say each phrase first, then you can repeat after. You can repeat it loud or silently, whichever is comfortable for you, okay? What is important is feel that words. Feel the words deeply when you say them. That is a key for your healing. This feeling is going to help in changing the body chemistry for you. Repeat after me. You're telling to your body, okay? I am sorry, my dear body, for judging you. I am sorry for hating you. I am sorry for calling you names. I am sorry for fighting you. I am sorry for starving you. I am sorry for punishing you with exercise. I am really sorry for comparing you to others. I am sorry for wishing you were different. Please forgive me, my dear body. Please forgive me for all the times I looked at you with disgust. Please forgive me for the shame I have carried. Please forgive me for not trusting your wisdom. Please forgive me for treating you like an enemy. Please forgive me, my dear body, for all the mean thoughts I had. Please forgive me for not seeing how hard you're working. Thank you, my dear body, for carrying me every single day. Thank you for breathing. Thank you for moving without me even asking. Thank you for trying to protect me during this transition. Thank you for every moment of health you have given me. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for resilience, your wisdom. Thank you for not giving up on me even when I gave up on you. I love you, my dear body. I love you. I love you exactly as you are right now. I love you for changing. I really love you for adapting. I love you for surviving. I love you in all your forms, past, present, and future. I love you unconditionally. I love you. I love you, my dear body. I love you. Just breathe. Let it sink in. Your body is listening. Your body is feeling this love now. Maybe for the first time in a very long time. Now we are going to extend this forgiveness to yourself. The women in you experiencing all of this. Keep your hands on your heart. Repeat after me. I am sorry. I am sorry for being so hard on myself. I am sorry for the negative self-talk. I am sorry for hiding from mirrors. I am sorry for avoiding photos. I am sorry for shrinking myself in social situations. I am sorry for believing I am not beautiful. I am sorry for waiting to live my life until I look better. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for postponing joy. Please forgive me for missing out on life because of body shame. Please forgive me for believing my worth is measured by my weight. Please forgive me for all the times I chose punishment over compassion. Please forgive me for believing my worth is measured by my weight. Thank you. Thank you for surviving. Thank you for still showing up. Thank you for seeking healing. Thank you for being here today, doing this work. Thank you for your courage. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you. Thank you for being you. I love you. I love you, Meghalata. You can take your own name. I love you through all the changes. I love you at every size. I love you for who you are, not what you look like. I love you unconditionally. I love you. I love you. If tears are coming, let them flow. That's healing moving through you. Right? Beautiful. Take a moment to notice how you feel now. Do you feel more softer, gentler inside, more peaceful? That's what forgiveness creates. This is the space for healing. Now let's seal this practice into your body. Keep your hands once again on your heart. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine golden light pouring from your heart into every cell of your body. This golden light is sealing the forgiveness, anchoring the love. One more time. Inhale, breathe in golden light, and as you exhale, send out love to every part of your body. As you're doing this, your body is healing. Healing is happening right away in ways you can see and ways you cannot see. When you're ready, gently move your fingers, move your toes, rub your palms, take it all over your face and open your eyes. How do you feel? Hope you feel lighter, softer, more at peace with yourself. This Ho'oponopono practice is not a one-time thing. This is a daily relationship building exercise with your body. Here is how to continue this healing. Every morning, before getting out of bed, place your hands on your body and say these 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. It takes few seconds. Repeat it 3 times or 4 times. It would take just 2 or 3 minutes, right? And this transforms your entire body. And repeat this process just before going to bed. When you look in the mirror, instead of criticism, say I love you. Instead of judgment, say thank you. Your reflection will start to change when your perception changes. When difficult emotions arise, I urge you to come back to these 4 phrases. Forgiveness is not one-time exercise. And once you do it, it's done. No. It's a practice. It's a way of being. I want to say this very clearly. You can't desire change. This does not mean you give up on your health. No. What it means is you heal from love, not from shame. You transform from acceptance, not from hatred. Whatever activity you are doing for improving your health, improving your body, do it from love. You create health from peace, not from war within yourself, right? So when you love your body, you naturally want to care for it. You naturally want to nourish it. And you naturally want to move it with joy. It all starts with forgiveness. I hope you're getting it clearly. If this practice has helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I create healing content every single week for women like you who are navigating perimenopause effortlessly. And please share this with another woman who needs to hear it. Let's heal together. You can find more practices for perimenopause on my channel like EFT tapping, chakra healing, and natural remedies. I sincerely feel honored to walk this healing path with you. Remember, you're not your body, you're the loving consciousness inhabiting it, and you deserve compassion. Until next time, this is Meghalata signing off with loads of love and good wishes for your best health.